India's largest producer of condiments. Consumers spread across the globe in the Middle East, Europe and the USA. The largest exporter of spice blends in approved consumer packs for 8 years in a row. Dominance in the spice market, with their products reaching millions of households. Quality certifications such as ISO 22000 and HACCP accreditations to its credit. We are Eastern Condiments, producing high-class spice powders and blends and creating quality benchmarks for over 3 decades. With an expert workforce and state-of-the-art technology based on global standards, Eastern leads a sensational trail of standardized excellence. Stringent hygienic measures are applied in the plants with regular laboratory testing. All these make Eastern a trustworthy brand among the consumers. The foundation of a trustworthy brand lies in its quality. By incorporating a system of continuous employee training to enhance awareness on food safety and hygiene, Eastern manufactures products of the highest quality, adhering to strict international norms. Spices like chili, coriander, turmeric, pepper, cardamom, processed at Eastern, are procured mostly through contract farming from the best possible locations. Eastern procures these seasonal spices in bulk and stores them under controlled conditions. The company owns huge warehouse space for storing raw material, which includes a 22,500 square feet refrigerated warehouse with a capacity to store 3,000 metric tons of raw material. It is the biggest cold storage in Asia owned by a condiments company. All Eastern warehouses meet international safety standards and are equipped with insect and rodent control devices. We make continuous efforts in training and educating the farmers on cleanliness and hygiene to retain the highest standards in storage. Cleaning and sorting of raw spices are carried out at Eastern using sophisticated machines. The process involves multiple steps such as classification, destoning and color sorting. These essential steps make sure that the spices are free from any contamination. Once the procured spices are cleaned, they are sent to the processing units. Grinding at Eastern is done using state-of-the-art pulverizers. These world-class equipment make sure that grinding is carried out at high speed and low temperatures, reducing pre-packing cooling time. It also helps in retaining the vital ingredients like the essential oil content and pungency of the spices. To ensure the products, once ground, are free from any further contamination, they are subjected to a process of steam sterilization using sophisticated machines. The machines used for these processes are imported from Germany, France, Netherlands and Italy. Our strength is to innovate and improvise. We make sure that the technology used retains the properties of traditional methods of grinding and blending. Eastern deploys the unique flavor lock system to make sure that its products do not lose their flavor, aroma and freshness. Thus, the spice powders reaching our customers' kitchen are pure, fresh and strong. During the entire process, our products remain untouched by human hands. To ensure stringent quality in spice powders and ready-to-cook food products, Eastern has made massive investments in installing India's first fully automated microbiology testing lab. This lab complies with FDA guidelines. It houses sophisticated equipment, including the latest state-of-the-art equipment from the French giant Biomiro. The fully automated bench in this lab is used for conducting tests like food contamination and poisoning, apart from bacterial analysis. The result of some of the tests conducted here are made available in just 22 hours, while it takes up to 120 hours otherwise. It has the efficiency of continuous troubleshooting and capability to conduct in-depth root cause analysis. The lab also houses a scientific taste panel to ensure that each product developed by Eastern is unique in taste. The nature of Eastern products demands suitable packaging methods. Packaging has to ensure that the spices reach the consumer in a fresh condition and at a minimal cost. Hence, the company follows international packaging standards to protect, preserve and present the products. Once cleared from here, the products start their journey to our homes. At present, there are 500 vehicles taking Eastern products to more than 70,000 dealers spread across the length and breadth of India. Eastern strives to gratify all its consumers with its wide range of products. It epitomizes diversification by foraying into a choice of ventures. The ISO-certified Sunidra brand of coir mattresses from the Eastern repertoire offers an experience of a sound sleep. A promise of purity comes with the UV-treated ozonized Eastern Aqua Mineral Water, a delightful thirst quencher. For conquering the road, Eastern launched Eastern Treads Limited. Sometimes we fantasize being a king. This fantasy may look real if one tries out the King Richard casual wear from Eastern Clothing Company. From the fresh green plantations of the Nilgiris, Eastern introduces East Tea, promising taste and strength in every sip. And last but not the least, Eastern's gift to society is the Eastern Public School at Adimali, the perfect place for children to learn and grow. And it has been the growth of an idea that underlies Eastern's journey from its inception. When he started off, N.E. Niran, the chairman of Eastern Condiments, was not selling just a product. He was also selling an idea.
Eastern Curry powder ചെറിയ തോതിലാണ് തുടങ്ങിയതെങ്കിലും അതിന്റെ പിന്നിൽ എനിക്ക് ജനങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു നല്ല ക്വാളിറ്റി ഉള്ള ഒരു ഉൽപ്പന്നം.
Though Eastern Curry powder had a humble beginning, I always had the aim of offering consumers quality products. It is important to not only produce products of quality, but also to price them so that they offer good value for money, create a sound distribution network that would deliver our products to the consumers, release attractive ads and provide attractive packaging. A well-established lab was set up to ensure our products conform to the specified quality. These matters gained my attention from the very beginning. In addition, we hold a number of dealer meets every year, interacting with more than 5,000 dealers, take their valuable feedback and felicitate them. In this way, the business has grown over the years to become what you see today.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ ബിസിനസ് നാൾക്ക് നാൾ വളർന്ന് ഇന്നത്തെ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാം കാണുന്ന ഈ സ്ഥിതിയിലേക്ക് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Now, Eastern is successfully implementing another innovative scheme which helps in grooming a set of entrepreneurs to become full-fledged distributors. The company offers financial and logistics support to help the distributors set up their own network and shares the profit with them. Much before the whole country started talking about retail, Eastern rolled out its own penetration plan for upcountry India. It has already identified 153 towns where it will have a major distribution network.
Change in lifestyle is offering us huge growth potential in India. In order to tap that market, we are trying to imbibe technology also into it. So we are coming up with high-tech factories in 3 locations in India. Other than that, we are trying to spread our products into US, Europe and Australia.
Today, Eastern has built-in capabilities for continuous product development and improvement based on market requirements. The company is currently on an aggressive growth path and is in the process of transforming itself into a highly automated and IT-enabled, people-oriented organization. As India's largest producer of condiments, Eastern has kept the famous spice route alive and kicking. Every kitchen ready for Eastern.